I'm Eric Roth, Chief Operating Officer of Mariana Resources, and today I'd like to step you through the mineral resource model for the Hot Maden gold-copper discovery in northeastern Turkey. The Hot Maden project is located approximately 1,050 kilometers east of Istanbul and some 20 kilometers from the Georgian border. Geologically speaking, the area corresponds to the Eastern Pontides metallogenic belt, which hosts a number of important gold and copper deposits. The Hot Maden project consists of 4 licenses covering a total of 73 square kilometers. The licenses cover a prominent north-northeast trending fault and alteration zone, which extends for at least 5 kilometers within our concessions and along which small-scale mining of high-grade copper veins was undertaken by Russian interests before 1923. Exploration to date at the project has focused on just a central 800-meter-long segment of the Hot Maden fault zone. Altitudes in the Hot Maden project area range from 850 meters in the area of the known gold-copper resource to around 1,700 meters on hilltops at the northern and southern limits of the concessions. Looking through the topography, we see that the Hot Maden gold-copper deposit is broadly north-south trending, subvertical, and has a true width ranging from 50 to 75 meters. In August 2015, we reported a maiden global mineral resource estimate on a 100% basis of 3 million ounces gold equivalent. At today's metal prices, the split between the in-situ metal value of gold and copper is approximately 70% and 30% respectively. We'll now take a look at the 3 main subzones that were defined in the mineral resource model on the basis of gold-copper grades. The ultra-high-grade gold zone, shown in red and which is characterized by gold grades consistently exceeding 15 grams per ton or half an ounce per ton in the old units, and often multiple percent copper grades. The main zone high-grade domain in yellow, which is characterized by gold values between 3 grams per ton and 15 grams per ton and copper values around 1%, and finally in green, the main zone low-grade domain, which is characterized by gold grades up to 3 grams per ton and copper grades around 1%. As we rotate the resource model in 3D, the relative distributions and subvertical nature of the mineralization are clearly evident. Also evident is the fact that the mineralized body remains open at depth, especially to the south. So let's now take a look at some of the drilling that's been completed at Hot Maden since the mineral resource estimation was completed. Intercepts reported include HDT-18, a step-back hole to holes 10 and 15 in the central part of the deposit, HDT-20, which is located in the northern part of the system, HDT-22, a step-back hole on the southernmost resource section at 2100 north, the exceptional HDT-24, which was drilled above hole 10, and 2 high-grade intercepts, HDT-25 and 27, in a brand new discovery located about 250 meters south of the existing mineral resource area. In February 2016, the highest grade gold intercepts to date from the Hot Maden project were also reported in holes HDT-34 and also HDT-35. The mineral resource area at Hot Maden has also been cut in at least 2 areas by interpreted late stage or post-mineralization faulting with a northwest-southeast orientation. This late-stage faulting simply has the effect of breaking and laterally displacing the mineralization over the scale of a few meters. One of the characteristics of the Hot Maden deposit is the presence of zinc mineralization in both the footwall and hanging wall to the gold-copper mineralization. Here in blue we see all the intercepts containing at least 1% zinc. However, for the purposes of future drill hole planning and project economics, the gold-copper portion of the system will continue to be the main driver for our future activities at Hot Maden. A key milestone for the Hot Maden project going forward will be the completion of a preliminary economic assessment, or PEA, around the end of Q3 2016. This study will revolve around 3 main technical pillars: the mineral resource, the metallurgical characteristics of the mineralization, and potential development options for a future mining operation. Our primary goal here is to work towards the development of a small footprint, minimum impact operation in which as much mining as possible would be done from underground and metal recovery would be achieved through a conventional flotation circuit. A key point is that this process would not require the use of any cyanide. Thank you for taking the time to join with me today, and together with our joint venture partners Lydia, I do look forward to keeping you updated on new developments at the Hot Maden project as we go forward.